Hello guys, welcome to my channel Asif Randoms. Today I will teach you how to add device in Nemo Outdoor. I am using Samsung Note 5, so I will show you how to add device. But before start, make sure your device is connected with your laptop. So I will show you how we can see our device is connected with our laptop or not. Just go to settings and Windows device manager, just go there. Here just click on ports. Here you guys can see Samsung mobile USB serial port is showing and it's connected COM14. It's mean our device is connected with our laptop, so we can add our device. If there is no device, it's mean our device is not connected with our laptop, so we cannot add our device. So make sure your device is showing in your device manager. How to add device? Just click on auto detect. Because I am using Nemo Outdoor 7.8 version, so in this version we have this feature. Just click on auto detect. Here you guys can see Samsung. The Samsung device, Samsung Note 5 already connected with laptop, so here is also here. Just mark it, and here you can give label. You can put device name according to you, like Nemo, Nemo, Nemo. Here if you want use data, like if you want to perform DL, UL or any data test cases, so you should be click on enable. So I already enabled. After that, just click on online. Just wait a moment. If you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for new videos. Here I show you. Here you can see our device status. Here device status, it's mean our device status is on and it's logged on LTE. So our device status is on, it's mean our device is connected with properly. Here the devices, here also you can see I already put the device name. Instead of Samsung I put Nemo. Here you can change your device name also. Just right click here in devices, set device label. Here I want to Samsung, SAMSUNG, Samsung. Here you can put any name according to your choice. So here you can see our device is logged on LTE. Here I will show you how to lock, how to band lock. Here just go to devices and right click here. Here you can see so many options, but this one band lock. If I will click on here, here you can see GSM, UMTS and LTE. Okay, I unlock first. Here I click on GSM. I want to lock my device on 2G. Just mark and click. Here my device already logged on GSM system. My device already logged. Yes, you guys can see. Now I want to lock on 3G. Just unmark and 2G and mark the 3G and just click on lock. Yes, my device already logged on 3G on UMTS system. If I want to lock on LTE, same as it. Just unmark the 3G and mark on LTE and just click on lock. Here our device already logged on 4G system. Just close it. But how we can see our device coverage and strength? For that we need to go data windows. Here the grid, just grid, go to open. Here event grids. In event grids also there is parameter grid and table grid. In table grid I will open the LTE serving P cell information. I just click on yes. Here you guys can see our device is logged on 4G and the channel, band and PCI and all parameters are showing here. Same as if 3G, just go to grid, open table grid and UMTS set information. Yeah, just click here because our device is not logged on 3G, that's why this is empty. If 2G also same table grid and GSM serving cell information, just click it. Yeah, now I will show you if I will log on 2G. We can adjust according to your requirement. If I will log on 3G, the 3G parameter will show. If I will log on 2G, so 2G parameter will show. So I log on 3G first. Just go to the same place, band log, just mark 3G and unmark 4G, then click on log. Yeah, here you guys can see our device logged on 3G and the 3G parameters are showing all information. Now I will log on 2G. Just unmark 3G and mark 2G and then click on log. Just close. Yeah, here you guys can see GSM set information. The coverage is showing and our mobile on 2G. I hope you liked my video. Watch my video till end. For more information, watch my another videos. See you in next video.